Everyone wants healthy, beautiful and clean skin without blemishes. However, skin color is lost due to various reasons. Today we will show you how to make tomato facial mask for get fair, glowing, spotless skin permanently. First, take 2 tablespoons tomato juice in a bowl. Rich in lycopene, tomatoes can help remove stubborn dark spots as well as lighten the skin to give you brighter and more even skin tone. Add 1 tablespoon rose waters. Rose water has been used as a beauty product for thousands of years, so it's no surprise that it can improve your complexion and reduce skin redness. The antibacterial properties may help reduce acne. The anti-inflammatory properties can reduce skin redness and puffiness. Add 1 tablespoon honey. Honey is one of nature's most revered skin remedies. Thanks to its antibacterial and antiseptic abilities, it may benefit oily and acne-prone skin. Honey is also a natural humectant, so it helps keep the skin moist but not oily. This is because humectants draw moisture from the skin without replacing it. Add 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Lemon is loaded with vitamin C, which can help in lightening dark spots on the skin. You can try spot treatment and rub lemon juice on the affected area for a few seconds. Once dry, rinse the area with cool water. Repeat this process every day to fade the spots. Mix well. Apply this mixture all over the face and let it rest for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, clean it off with waters. Now you can see my face is so much fair, glowing and bright. Use it 2 to 3 times a week for best results. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to get more solution, visit our websites.